2018 under healthcare for assessing visually impaired people. If the places are entirely unknown for them, they face many difficulties. So now, technology and innovation have now come to the fore in leading the blind to live a self-dependent life. Now, have a close look to ChakShoe kit. We have fitted solar panel, Bluetooth module, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, vibrating motor, piezoelectric generating plates, Arduino board, breadboard, GPS module.
It is time to show the working of the ChakShoe kit to the vibration of the leg and the same message speak by the app. As you notice, there's an obstacle in my right side. So it tells me that there's an obstacle in my right side and gives me vibration on the leg. Same happens here. Now it's time to show that the shoes also indicate the stairs. As you can see, there's a beep sound. This means that there's stairs in my path. If you are selected in top 50, our startup will join hands with any already established business community, and it would go on a long way to blend creativity and innovation and inspire the new age entrepreneurs. This venture would definitely lead to employment creation, wealth generation and global competition. It is an attempt to provide an acoustic assistant to the visually impaired people.